Yeah, welcome to this very tutorial. My name is Joseph, and I'm going to be teaching you how to develop your website using WordPress and Elementor Builder. So just stick around. It's not something difficult, it's something very easy, something that you can learn in few minutes. We are simply going to learn how to create a business website landing page with WordPress. And in this module, we are going to be looking at the fundamentals of WordPress. So our specific objective is to understand what WordPress is. So what is WordPress? So WordPress is a content management system which is open source and was created to manage blogs. Okay, so we can simply say that WordPress is a web content management system because it is used for managing documents or managing content on the website. So videos, documents, post, update, media, and the rest. And we also can see here that WordPress is open source. What does that mean? It simply means that we have different developers contributing to the growth of this particular software. Okay, that means it is open source. And WordPress allows you to easily create and manage your blogs and website content without writing a code. That's amazing. That's beautiful, right? Yes, you don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to know how to write codes before learning WordPress for developing websites. Yes, you just need to learn the fundamentals, learn how to create a page post, learn how to link stuff using any type of builder or something like that, and then you are good to go. Okay. Initially, WordPress was created to manage blogs and develop blog websites. But as it stands now, WordPress can be used for developing all types of websites, business websites, e-commerce websites, name them, all types of websites. We can use WordPress to develop all types of websites. Okay, so we are going to look at different versions of WordPress. We have a version 5.7, we have version 5.71 and the rest of them. Okay, but our latest version right now is version 5.9, and that's what I'm going to be using for this very tutorial. Okay, so and that's one of the stuffs with WordPress. Each time they keep releasing a new version, that should not scare you at all, because before a new version comes up, they will let you know, they will pre-inform you, so you'll be waiting for the update, and all you need to do is to hit an update button once it is totally released, and it just updates the whole stuff for you and brings in the new features they have added to the new version. That's very simple. So in the next tutorial, we're going to look at the dashboard, WordPress dashboard. We're going to look at the media, so stick around and let's have this together. Thank you.